In this video, I will show you the easiest ways to earn money that you can earn $860 per day. So watch the video carefully until the end. The first website is called Writer's Gigs. For yourself by writing articles and content for people. So basically there are people who come to this website looking for freelancers who can actually write article or content for them. They are willing to pay these people, so you can sign up on this website and become an author. As you can see above here, it says become an author, so you can register on this website. And you can start writing articles for people on this website and you can make money for yourself. There are different categories that you can actually write if you come here and click on this job here. We have blogging, category writing, copywriting, technical writing, art, writing script. Writing is good. So if you are someone who is very interested in writing, you can actually earn money with this method. In this website, by writing articles for people, even if you don't know how to write, there is still a way that you can follow. Of course, I have taught you in previous videos how to prepare articles without plagiarism. Of course, in the future also, like this, I will mention more methods. Now here you can see the best writing. There are people like you who are already making money on this website. For example, this guy has 4.5 rating per articles so far, and he has a lot of comments. As you can see, there are a lot of people here who write articles and make money for themselves and buy them. This is actually a Nigerian website. So when you earn on this website, you can cash your money directly into your Nigerian bank account. It actually opens to other African countries. So if you are not from Nigeria, to show if you are eligible to register on this website from your country. So if you want to register here, you can just click on the register button from the top of the page. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorial. The next website I want to talk about is called Howkit. So how can you make money on this website? You can see what they say by reselling products, posting ads, and doing simple social network for top businesses and brands on your social media accounts. Basically, it's a way you can earn anytime. You can earn by liking Facebook posts and following Instagram accounts, following Twitter accounts, and watching YouTube videos, sending ads on your WhatsApp status. You can also earn money by reselling other people's products. So you can sell someone else products on the site as an affiliate. Hook it up, you earn affiliate commissions every time someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and they buy a product. Your unique affiliate link shows now basically people who probably become quit and influencers so they can refer to maybe promote their Facebook fan page so people can follow them, so you can sign up on this website. And you can do these simple things by simply following Facebook page, and every time you follow that Facebook page, so you can earn money by posting free ads from your different social media, and also you can sell other people's products. The third website that I want to talk about is called VTU Express. So what is it about, and how can you use this particular website to earn money for yourself? In the section of our page, they say it is a web platform where users can buy mobile data packages too. VTU is a TV subscription, electricity bills, pay time, etc. On this website, you can buy time, you can buy data, and you can pay for cable subscription and power views now, apart from doing all those activities for yourselves. On this particular website, you can do it for other people and earn money for yourself. For example, you can actually come to VTU Express, the data buy for a site, cheap amount, and then you can continue to resell that data to your friends or family members or colleague or others. You can also help people pay their electricity bill on this website, and you can help people pay for their cable subscriptions on this website. And as you do all that, you can make money for yourself right here. You can see that there are different plans and prices of a different data that they sell. For example, if you come here, you will see that it is MTN, and their data here is very cheap compared to what you can get on the main website of this network previews. Actually, you can get data here with huge discount, and you can sell it to your friend at real price. So as I said, you can buy data from here. You can also buy SMS to send on this website. Many people who are looking for SMS provides, or looking for someone who can help them an SMS, and that includes companies and church, school, organization, that you can actually help an SMS, and all you have to do is collect money from them. They come here and send an SMS, and you can charge them for your service. Also, you can do one-time charge here, and then you can also pay for utility. You can make payments here, and you can also do cable subscribing to their particular website, can lead you to earn money online.